Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the fastest path. Connect to a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet adapter and plug your device into power. Make sure your iCloud storage has enough room. If not, delete large unneeded items or upgrade storage now. Turn off low power mode so backups can run fully and verify background app refresh is enabled. Once done, open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud Backup, and tap Backup Now to kick off the immediate sync. You now control what moves to iCloud to speed the transfer. Go to iCloud settings and inspect each app's backup size. Disable bulky apps like photos or games you can reinstall. If you need photos backed up fast, enable Optimize iPhone storage or temporarily turn off iCloud photos and upload selected albums manually. Pause non-essential app backups so only critical data uploads. This reduces upload size and finishes the backup quicker. Once the main backup is done, re-enable You finish by confirming the backup completed. View the timestamp and size under iCloud Backup. If it's still slow or stuck, first reboot your router and device, then try switching to wired Ethernet or a 5G hotspot to bypass congested Wi-Fi. If a backup fails, sign out of iCloud and sign back in to refresh your session, then retry the backup. If problems persist despite network fixes, contact Apple support. They can look at account or server issues that block uploads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.